I've been having dreams, jumping on a trampoline.
Hi, this is Ash. For our first Feature 6 features, we have Smart Visor. Smart Visor have features like a smartwatch, where you can make a call through your Sv-Civic helmet, know your redirection of your particular destination from the waist, Bluetooth, and controls from your phone. Like a smartwatch, you can ask anything about the weather, time, and even controls the Smart Visor features to protect your eyes from the sunlight by directing the visor. Sounds more interesting when the Smart Visor made from the rain-proof radical coat visor, so you don't have to worry about the rain fogging while riding. Dash camera. Auto recording when you press on the on button on the sides of the Sv-Civic helmet. It can also auto save the recording when you just finish your riding and take off your helmet. Why a dash cam? It can be as an evidence when someone or you yourself happen to be in an accident, since the average number of the road accidents every day is increasing day by day, caused by the driver or something else. Or it can be one of your fantastic memory too. Risk avoidance. Our Sv-Civic helmet also have a sensor, where it helps them, the rider who are on riding but has microsleep, by make sure to produce a beep sound so that they are awake. On the other hand, this actually can reduce the number of accidents happen because of microsleep on the road. Also, there is hazard divider, which helps rider to aware of their riding on the road. Last but not least, there is a cooling system on the back of the helmet, which prevents the system from overheating. Even though we have safety features applied, but we can guarantee 100% of your safety. Hence, we input SOS and emergency call. Your Sv-Civic helmet will help you by calling Malaysian emergency telephone number 999 if you are in accident. Our Sv-Civic helmet also consists of speech interpretation and recognition interface Siri, known as Alicia. The most incredible and impressive part is, when you are unconscious as falling down from the bike, the sensor will detect any collision and high pressure from your Sv-Civic helmet surface, and it will automatically produce a beep sound and call 999 if you are not replying within 5 seconds. Are you wondering about the sounds? Don't worry, there is a speaker. Our Sv-Civic helmet has a pair of speakers at both of sides of the helmet to help the rider or user communicate with Alicia or use it in calling system. The output of the beep sounds from the sensors also will be heard from the speaker too. Next is LED. LED light will automatically on at the bottom of Sv-Civic helmet. It has a sensor which will detect the darkness at nearby area along the rider pathway, so that the LED can help them at certain situations, like if the bike's lamp was broken and not working. And it also helps other road users see them clearly, as it should be looking outstanding. Last but not least is battery. Sv-Civic's helmet's battery is very special, cause it came out with portable design where the user can recharge the battery easily and put it in again. You can use Type-C USB charger. Our battery also has a high capacity, low static charge rate, and efficient energy density. Also, we provide a wireless charging pad.
The first component that we use is Arduino Nano. Arduino Nano is the core of the helmet. It is cheap and easily available. Arduino Nano can connect and interface with various components such as sensor, wireless communication, and the navigation GPS. Arduino Nano can process data from sensor to provide information. It also allows the helmet to connect to other devices such as smartphone, and it also can process the GPS data. The second component is micro SD card. Micro SD card is compact, offer high storage capacity, and easy to integrate into the helmet. In the helmet, this could include logging sensor data such as GPS coordinates, acceleration, or temperature reading. Micro SD card can store maps and waypoints. This is useful for helmet with GPS function, providing real-time navigation assistance to the rider. The next component is IoT modem. IoT modem is communication device enabling communication between Internet of Things, which is IoT devices, and the network. The IoT device would have an IoT modem as part of its communication. In this case, the GPS coordinate obtained from the GPS module, and then it will send to the IoT modem. IoT modem also support global coverage to communicate across different regions and countries, such as Wi-Fi that easy to connect without the need for physical cables. The last component is piezo. Piezo acts as a sensor that can be used to generate attention by grabbing signals such as alarm or flashing lights to alert the nearby individual or emergency responder. In this case, the piezo sensor can generate electrical signal that trigger the safety mechanism, and it will automatically activating the emergency communication features.
For the flowchart, our helmet system will be started after the user switch on the system by pressing the button. After switched on, our Sv-Civic helmet will check whether it is connected to user's phone or not. If not connected, it will show connect to your phone until the user connect to their phone. Once connected, our features will begin to function. Our first feature is the sensor system, which can detect accident. If accident didn't happen, our sensor will keep on detecting throughout the journey. If accident happens, Alicia will make sure the user's condition is bad or not. If the user's condition is bad, Alicia will immediately call 999 and alert the nearby hospitals. After this, the system will be turned off. If the user's condition is not bad, Alicia will show continue the journey. Once the user arrives to the destination, the system will be turned off. Our second feature is dash cam. Once the helmet connected to user's phone, it will automatically capture and record video data. If the memory is full, our system will clear the storage and start to record. If the memory is not full, it will continue to record until the user arrives to the destination, and the system will be turned off once the user press the button. Our third feature is Waze. User have to input the location he or she wants to travel. If the GPS data is not available, it will show invalid location and the user needs to put the location again until the GPS data is available. If it is available, the system will process the GPS data and generate the route. After that, the system will show the navigation route, speed limit and road condition. Our Waze system will make sure the user does not exceed the speed limit. If the user exceeds the speed limit, it will show decrease the speed until the user slow down the speed. If the user maintain the speed limit, it will go to the next process, which is the Waze system makes sure there's no sudden unusual traffic. If sudden traffic occurs, the system will process new clear traffic route to the user. If there's no traffic, user can arrive to the destination, and once reached, the helmet will turn off once the user press the turn off button.
This is our transition diagram. When we turn on Sv-Civic helmet button, it will automatically connect to our phone via Bluetooth. At the same time, the dashcam will start recording on the visor as safety feature. Then, if our SD card is full, our Siri, which is Alicia, will notify the user and it will show on the visor. Other feature is the user can find their road to their destination by only choosing the location or asking our Siri to show it on Smart Visor. The navigation road will be put small on the right side of Smart Visor for safety purpose. When the user reach their destination, the navigation map will be switched off. Other than that, the helmet have a great sensoring system that can detect high pressure on the helmet surface and the heart rate of the user. So, when there is any accident occur, SOS feature will be activated. If the user didn't respond within 5 seconds, this helmet will automatically produce beep sound and our Siri Alicia will automatically call emergency number, which is 999, and give emergency signal to nearby hospital. And if the user respond, the user can continue their journey back. Lastly, if the system computing is overheating, the user will be notified and the cooling system will be activated. Hence, by having all these components such as Arduino Nano, microSD card, IoT modem and piezo, all these features can be operated smoothly.